Synapses is very important when we talk about genomics because during synapses, crossing over occurs, and this is where you have exchange from one chromosome to another. So, for example, here, if you can imagine, this is your two copies of chromosome 1 that have replicated. During synapses, there's an exchange of DNA material from one of the copies of your chromosome 1 with the other. And this way, you can imagine the top chromosome being your mother's chromosome and the bottom chromosome being your father's chromosome. And now you've exchanged genetic information. And this is going to be important because, as you can imagine, if you have two different alleles at different locations along this arm of the chromosome, the further away they are, the more likely they are to be split during synapses. So if you have two alleles that are on opposite ends of the chromosomes, they're almost always going to be swapped during meiosis. So you're going to end up with those two copies on different chromosomes. Whereas if you have two alleles that are very close to each other on a chromosome, they're going to be what's called linked. And if they're linked, they're going to end up always segregating together. And this linkage is going to become very important when we start talking about